Hi, I'm Shauna Coronado. Welcome to my garden studio. We're going to learn secret tips for getting more color into your shade container gardens. I gotcha on this one because I have all the color. I love color. I cannot stand the bland. We're going to bring it with this container right here. Okay, my first tip is not about the plants at all. It's about the container. If you want a colorful container garden, start with a colorful container. So forget the bland and add some pizzazz. Today we're going to use this green container. Now, I know a secret about containers like this. You have to get better drainage, and that sometimes means drilling a hole in the bottom of the container. So I have drilled several holes. Next thing we do is fill our container with organic potting soil. I'm using Beyond Peat potting soil. It is peat-free, yay, good for the environment, and it's also water retentive. You can't beat that because it helps you hold more moisture down by the roots. The secret to planting a shady container that's colorful, here it is, wha-bam, it's the foliage. I know, it's crazy, but if you put colorful foliage in a shady area, you're not as worried about it flowering as you are about the display from the leaves. And that's what we have right here. This is silver streak flax. And yes, it's looking a little rough. Here's what I'm going to cut away these brown bits, and then I'm going to put that flax right in as the feature plant for this container. The other thing that I truly love, that I have caladium. Look at this gorgeous, gorgeous plant. Isn't it beautiful? I love these pink leaves. We will be using asparagus ferns as a filler. Sweet potato vine comes in many, many different colors and color combinations. This is Sweet Georgia Heart Red, and the leaves have a heart shape. Look at that, so adorable. I love this combination. When you plant your planter, what I always start, I trim off any brown bits. I'm going to do that right here, trim. And then I like to plant my largest plant first. We're going to put the flax in the middle. Put it right in the middle like this. Then we're going to put the caladium, the tall caladium I have here, in the back. Okay, next is the spiller. I love these sweet potato vines. And by the way, I think this is Blackie. No, Sweet Caroline Sweetheart Jet Black. Wow. It's not a simple name. It's complicated. Put this over here. And then we'll use the ferns as fillers. Oh my goodness, look at this. That's how easy that was. This is a beautiful container. Backfill it with your soil to make sure that the container is nice and full. But what I want you to do is fill the soil up to about an inch from the top so that there's plenty of space for you to water. I'm Shauna Coronado, and this is my container that has the secret tip for lots of color and shade. It's all about the foliage. I've put this together lickety-split. You can too. Make sure that you use a peat-free soil like Beyond Peat because it is better for the environment and it will hold more water and be moisture retentive.